Okay, out here we're to the Jeep now, and went down to Summit Jeep Company in Prescott, taking those two parts I had for the CB down there, and this thing unlocked here. And first thing they put on was this 48-inch fire stick. I couldn't use the antenna off of my LittleWierd truck because it was a roof mount, so it wouldn't work in this application. And then they used a TerraFlex tailgate mount here, and they actually had to grind a little off of this surface because there was a little interference with the tire rack. So they ran that cable through the vent hole here, and it comes out over here and snakes down that side. So let's go see where that little box got mounted now. In that little box thing, they mounted back in behind the glove box here. I don't know how good I can show you that. Kind of down in what's called the Jeep black hole. Let me slide that camera over a little bit to show you how they take that, how the glove box comes down. So on this glove box, once you open it, there's a little piece sticking out on each side that holds it from flopping all the way out. And because this is plastic, then you just squeeze these sides in and lift it out. It kind of just goes in there, and she comes right out. And let me grab this camera and go in and show you where that box is. So the little box that you saw in the opening picture is right here, zip tied to this brace here, and this is commonly known down in there as the Jeep black hole, because things can flip out of your glove box and fall back in there. So if you're missing something and it was in your glove box, look down in there. So anyway, there's a little box, so I can get to it if I want to. It's got a plug-in for an extension speaker, so I can still get to that. And now let's go over and look at the CB, the handset part. Okay, we'll look at it from this side first. As you can see down there, I got put the handset part on the driver's side. I couldn't make up my mind which side, but I went on the driver's side over there. I will go over on that side and take a look at her. Here, looking in from the driver's side, I think you can see it right up in there. And we'll jump in and take a shot of it. Okay, and there it is with me sitting in here. So it's right here by my hand. There. Clips in there nicely. So, I'm liking that. And okay, and something else I did to go along with this whole communication center here is I put in this little magnetic phone holder here, which I'm really liking. And it's been holding really good. Goes right on there. Can swivel it around, and I really like that. And down here, I put this big old knife on a magnet. That's been staying really good. And right there, nice and handy for, you know, you never know when you need a knife. So, and there's the old dash cam up there. So, things are looking good, I'd say, so far. Little hood shot there. And one more little thing. And last thing, just put on here with a quick fist thing. I've got a nice flashlight mounted there, so easy to get at from the driver's seat. So I think that's it for the upgrades right now. So we'll catch all you guys later, huh? Bye-bye.